Cooper Enterprises got its start in 1965. It was a roll-off from the Friebel Hartman Company. My grandpa retired in 64, 65, and then he got this idea about buying the box plant from Friebel Hartman. Knowing that Friebel Hartman really wasn't interested in maintaining a box plant, knowing that it would be something that he could possibly take his son, which was Gerald Friebel, and his son-in-law, which is Dan Cooper, and put those two together and start Cooper Enterprises.
In 1989, Dad bought Dan out, brought my brother Edward in to help run the business, and later in 91, as my father started to eyeball retirement, he brought me in to join the business to help run the administrative side. What sparked our interest in the whole thing is trying to continue the family tradition of having a family business with Friebel and Hartman to the Cooper Enterprises and to find opportunities for us.
When I started, this was a relatively small company. I was totally clueless. I never even knew this place existed. They only had 3 or 4 CNC machines. They had 1 saw. They had 1 edge bander. Now I think they have 13 CNC machines. They went to 2 saws. They have 2 edge banders. They expanded the warehouse. They really took this place and modernized it.
As we've grown over the years and we've been here for so long, we've watched so many of our employees get married, start having kids, their kids graduating from school. And you know, when we started here, we were the young guys, now we're the old guys. Many different companies that start to grow, we start hiring people. We start hiring sales representatives. We hire more people for the shop floor. We hire more supervisors. We go to multiple shift operations, and it's just a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun watching the company grow and actually being a big part of it.
It seems every year to 2 years we bring in a large new CNC router or some type of CNC machine. We've also diversified to different types of equipment, which allows us to bring in different types of work. And it's just continued to grow, and I'm sure will continue to grow in the future.
It's been exciting and challenging as we're trying to get these machines running and keep them running. We realized that we needed really good people, and that's what's really kept us in the game. This business is nothing without its people. Without good people able to innovate, come up with ideas, program, make these things happen, solve the problems on the floor, to watch people excel in the company. It's always been a challenge to take on new projects, but I walk out on the shop today sometimes and I look at it and I am just amazed at the stuff that our people do today, you know, just amazed at the work that's being done.
Everybody looks at that company as we own it. You know, even the employees that come here and take advantage of working here, they own it. They want to be a part of it, and they want to do what's best for the company. They started the business as a contract manufacturer, and they put their blood, sweat, and tears into it. And we want to take that and perpetuate it and bring it to where it is today and further.
Cooper Enterprises has been around since 1965, so we have 60 years of experience with contract fabrication. So we decided, what can we take our expertise in that field? How can we take that to a different market? So historically, we've operated in the commercial market only, and we have all of that experience, and we've decided that we wanted to expand into a residential market with our new innovative system, our Closet Systems by Cooper.
They have been willing to continually reinvent themselves, and probably 20 years ago, all they did was component parts and things like that. Well, they were willing to grow with the economy, and they started building cabinets. And that was a huge part. That was a huge part of this place.
It was interesting to watch people grow in the company, and it's been exciting to watch people go from floor to other new positions in the company and do quite well. And I think that's what's exciting. We've watched a lot of our employees, you know, build their families here and become grandparents here. I mean, it's been that exciting.